All right, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to make $200 a day with a simple sales funnel. All right, with this sales funnel, we need a affiliate program to start out with. The first one that I do recommend is Clickbank. From there, you can go into the marketplace and pick which niche you want to get into and promote someone else's informational product. Now, to promote this informational product, what we are going to do is we are going to use YouTube, right? So YouTube is probably one of the best ways to drive free traffic out there. And if you are doing really well and creating pretty good content, you can get YouTube to promote you, and that will definitely help with your sales. But to get sales, first you need to have videos out there, and you need to have individuals watching those videos. Now, when they watch the video, you just don't want them to just watch those crappy video. There's a lot of people out there who are trying internet marketing, or affiliate marketing, that are creating content out there where they have just a slideshow with robot voice. While that works, it's definitely not the best way to go about it because you're not providing value. You need to people want to get to know, like, and trust you, and that will get them to watch your content. Now, after they watch your content and they get a little bit of more exposure to you, they're going to get warmed up to your call to action or your pitch. So what we want to do is we want to create a funnel, and we want to make a funnel with ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels is an online sales funnel builder that helps businesses or affiliate marketers sell and deliver their products online. With ClickFunnels, it's easy to create a marketing and sales funnel from the ground up, as it incorporates all the core elements needed to have a functional and effective sales funnel. So what we're going to do with our sales funnel is we are going to have a opt-in, all right? Now, in this opt-in, we are going to provide more value by giving away something for free. I'm sure you have seen this before, like a free PDF or a free training or something free of that nature, a free webinar. And all our videos that we put up on YouTube are going to direct over to that. And then from there, once they opt in and once they decide to opt in, we are going to send them to our thank you page. And from our thank you page, we're not going to watch the video and send them straight to our thank you page for watching our video. So from the opt-in, they are going to our thank you page. Now, our thank you page is just going to provide like maybe a little video or a little text that just says, hey, thanks for signing into my opt-in. I hope this provides you with value and it helps you solve your problem. And then you also be telling them that you're going to follow up with email, and the way that they can get their freebie is that it's been sent to their email. So from there, like I said, they're going to receive an email. Where is the little email? There it is. They're going to receive the email of our opt-in that is going to provide them with value. So now that we have their email and their thank you page, I think it's also important to mention that we do want the sales page to connect to the thank you page. So we'll leave a little button or a call to action to go to the sales page where they can check that out. And ultimately, it does lead to a sale about 1% to 2% of the time, depending on how warmed up they are in your buying cycle, okay? But if they don't buy in this initial phase here, what we have done is we have collected their email. Now, once we've collected their email, we're going to be following up and again providing value to get them to know, like, and trust us. And this is the money's in the list. This is where everyone is gonna make their money. Now, I recommend using Aweber, and I've left a link in the description as well as a link to ClickFunnels if you would like to try this out for yourself. So what we are going to do is this is my recommended way of doing it. You're going to send I like using a 5 email series, okay? Let me get these 5 out here real quick for you. And there we go. Done and done, and then we'll connect them. But what I like to do is I like to follow this simple schedule, okay? Now, email 1 is going to be our free giveaway, the free content that we gave away, and we're going to provide value. The second email will probably wait about a day, but we'll give them value on how to solve their problem in our specific niche. And then in the third one, we will wait another day. We'll provide value, but at the end of the video, we'll be like, P.S. This awesome product is helping my customers solve this problem in your niche. And I'll be following up with you in a couple of days on how you can do that as well. So it kind of creates a little bit of anticipation, a little bit of excitement, and gets the buyer warmed up and be like, oh, what are they going to try to help me? What's going to be the solution to my problem? And then we're going to pitch them, and then from that pitch, we're going to send them over to the sales page. And usually that does, because we've built that relationship and turned the free customer into a buying customer, it will convert into a sale here. But if that doesn't work, we'll wait another day or two and we'll pitch again with a discount or a bonus offer. So a discount is pretty obvious. You're just going to offer them a percentage off on the affiliate product, or you're going to provide your own bonus, like an added course, something added that is going to help them to get to make to purchase. And that's pretty much it. It does take about 5 to 10 contacts before a sale's made within email. Sometimes you might even have to send out like 25 to 21 emails, but that is up to you. This is really just a simple sales funnel that can net you $200 a day with consistency. If you have your funnel built in place and you made it with ClickFunnels, which I've left links in the description for, all you have to do is create content around a specific niche and just send people over to that sales funnel. And then once they go through the process of the opt-in, the thank you page, and then you send them follow-up emails, you will eventually make that sale. It's a lot better than just sending people from your video straight to the sales page and hoping that you make the purchase. You're not going to make a lot of money, and if you don't follow this sales funnel here, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.